Coming around now to the driver's side, this is actually quite a bit less populated than the other side. Just a few things to note here. Storage wise on the side here at the back, fold out solar panel in case I need it, as you would have seen from other shots of the truck in the past, and from other shots in general. I've actually got solar panels set up on the roof. Here on the side here also I have wheel chocks, just to chock the wheels up, and the short CB aerial in case I need it. I very rarely need it, don't go to the beach that often. And here I have the Daci Eclipse 270 awning poles. These aren't needed all the time. The good thing about the Daci, which we will cover later, is that it's actually a freestanding awning, so you can have it standing by itself, but you can also have the 3 poles that are fitted onto it already and use them only to hold it up. Or if you're in a really windy situation, you can use the extra 3 poles that are here. And underneath, similar to the other side, extra storage, just got extra cleaning cloths and whatnot there. Just an extra rug there, and then tools, the Chrome tools there. Now here, 1, 2 and then 3 behind there as well. I've actually got the 3 side awnings which fit onto the Daci, which we'll cover later, and also there's just a screwdriver set. Now as we mentioned briefly before and will mention later, we also have the BMS plug in there, so what we can do there is plug a 240 volt in and charge the battery management system if there's not much solar out, or if you happen to be at a caravan park or something where you actually have access to 240 volts, you can just plug straight into 240 volts. Now here we've got the angle fridge. Again, what I've done is designed this very specifically so the angle can fit here. You can see there. Only just got water in there at the moment because I'm not really travelling anywhere at present. But I actually leave this refrigerator on permanently, and we have 2 batteries in here. See Sentry number 1 and Sentry number 2. It's not really much to see there. Basically it's just wiring which was done by ARB there, and on 2 separate occasions. The main thing that I can highlight, I guess, there is that I've got my refrigerator 12 volt plug there into the back of there. Again, that was a deliberate design decision. With a lot of the refrigerator setups with the fridge being set at the back, people think it's a great idea to have the fridge on a slide out tray, but one thing they don't think about is that the plug, which resides down the bottom here on the left or the right, constantly gets caught, and it's a bit of a pain in the butt. And in reality, if you're using your refrigerator properly, you're only into it very briefly just to get a couple of things out, put a couple of things in, and then you're done. Most of your time should actually be spent prepping your food, which is why I've made the area at the back there a lot bigger for preparation of food.